Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of diets out there? From keto to vegan, carnivore to pescatarian, the options seem endless. So how do you pick the best one for you? Let's break it down. First up, the keto diet. This low-carb, high-fat diet aims to put your body into a state of ketosis where it burns fat for energy instead of carbs. Great for rapid weight loss and boosting mental clarity, but it's not for everyone, especially if you love your carbs. Next, the vegan diet. Perfect for those who are ethically minded or simply love plant-based foods. It's rich in nutrients, can lower your risk of heart disease and is environmentally friendly, but you'll need to plan carefully to get enough protein and essential vitamins like B12. Now, let's talk about the carnivore diet. Yep, you heard it right. This diet is all about eating meat and only meat. It's high in protein and can potentially help with certain autoimmune issues. However, it's very restrictive and lacks fiber and other essential nutrients found in plant foods. The pescatarian diet is a happy middle ground. It includes fish and seafood along with plant-based foods. You get the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, while still enjoying the variety of fruits and vegetables. It's a great way to combine the best of both worlds. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of the Mediterranean diet? Based on the eating habits of people from the Mediterranean region, it's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil. Known for its heart health benefits, it's one of the most balanced diets out there. So, which diet is best for you? The answer is it depends. It depends on your health goals, lifestyle, and personal preferences. The key is to find a diet that you can stick to in the long run, one that makes you feel good and fits your life. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all. What works for one person might not work for another. Listen to your body, consult with a healthcare provider, and take it one step at a time. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy.